Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out two polishes from an indie brand named Glisten and Glow. I just want to say a huge thank you to IndieSwatch. I purchased these polishes along with the glitter grabber using a gift card that I won during IndieSwatch's Hall of Fame appreciation giveaways, so I just wanted to give them a shout out, and be sure to check out their Instagram down below. I'll leave a link in the description box because they always have a bunch of different giveaways going on, so be sure to check them out after watching this video. Anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. The first polish is called Mother Sky, and this is a really pretty and soft periwinkle cream polish. This polish had a really good formula, especially for such a light color like this. Even that first coat was pretty pigmented, though it did need a second coat to reach full opacity, and the wide round brush made application so easy. It did dry pretty shiny, but I did apply a glossy top coat on top to smooth everything out and just add an extra shine. So here are two coats of Glisten and Glow's Mother Sky with a glossy top coat. And the other polish that I got is called Bungee in the Bahamas, which is a really pretty teal / mint cream polish. I'm a sucker for teal or aqua or mint polishes, and this one was no exception. The color was just so pretty, but this one didn't have the same wide round brush that the last polish did, so I found that on some nails, depending on my application, I did have a couple of those brush strokes. So for the most part, it was opaque in two coats, but some nails did need a third coat just because of my application. This one also dried pretty shiny, but I did apply a glossy top coat to add some extra shine. So here are two coats of Bungee in the Bahamas with a glossy top coat. Here's one more look at Glisten and Glow's Mother Sky and Bungee in the Bahamas, and another huge thank you to IndieSwatch for hosting this giveaway. I'm still testing out the glitter grabber, which I also picked up, and I'll have a separate video on that, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this short swatch video, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!